welcome to a new video at Mobile Made Simple, and today we're going to have a quick look at the official leather case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro from Bellroy. Firstly, I do apologise if this video looks a little yellow. This is the lighting in the living room. We are in the UK now, it's already dark at 6 o'clock, so I'm doing with the living room light. So I've already got this case on the phone as I wanted to get something on there quick. But this was ordered from Amazon and I believe it comes from Bellroy EU directly. So this is an official case. I believe it is also on the Google store, and Bellroy do often make leather cases for the Pixel series. So on the front it says super slim, eco tan leather and 3-year warranty. And then if we look at the back, it's got a microfiber lining, super slim, compatible with wireless charging, and the 3-year warranty again. So I am a fan of leather cases, so when I seen this was available, I thought I'd pick it up. This is the leather case in grey. So firstly I'll take it off the phone. It does come off fairly easily if you just push it from the corner. So inside we've got this nice blue microfiber to stop the Pixel from scratching. You can see the sides. As the Pixel 6 Pro is a curved display, then obviously the cases are a little trickier to come by than for something like a flat phone like the iPhone. So if you look straight on at the case, you have got a slight lip at the top and the bottom, so that may protect it if it fell. But of course these curved screens, they are always tricky. And as far as I know, there's not any tempered glass out or anything yet. It's obviously going to be like a white stone dome or something. It's going to have to come out eventually. But whether that will impact the fingerprint sensor that is a bit finicky on this phone. Anyway, overall this case is showing a couple of fingerprints as I've been using it for a day or so, but they do easily wipe off. I think this case is available in grey, black and brown. There may have been another colour that I forgot. So you get the little Bellroy logo at the bottom. Oh, and yeah, the buttons are very clickable, if you can hear that on the video. So they do feel aluminium, similar to the Apple leather case. And most importantly, when the phone's flat on the table, you no longer get the rock from the camera bar, as that is solid. So that's what makes using a case on this phone a must. So yeah, overall that was a quick look at the Bellroy leather case. Let me know what you think in the comments, or if you have got any other Pixel case recommendations. I would like to pick up the Caseology Vault and maybe the official Google case to have a look at. So keep an eye on the channel for them. And yeah, once again, thanks for watching.